Hi guys, what is up? Welcome to our second video on ratios, accounting ratios. So basically accounting ratios really just help us to ascertain some of the missing values from maybe the books of accounting. Maybe you want to actually ascertain certain values of other, maybe missing components, okay, so that we can come up with a financial statement, the trading profit and loss account, okay. So what this means is we are going actually to solve and be able to understand how you can go about this one. So let us look at this one. So it is about G Flying is a trader who sells all his goods at 20% above cost. His books give the following information at the 31st December 2007. So stock 1, this is also called inventory. So 19,400. Stock 31, December meaning closing stock. This is opening stock, closing stock. 26,660, and sales of the year was 155,880. So then what are we required to do is you are required to ascertain the cost of goods sold, show the value of purchases during the year, and also calculate the profit, which is the gross profit. Okay. So basically what you need to do, the most important thing to understand is first of all to come up with a simple financial statement, and this financial statement is just about trading account. Okay, so you just say sales, okay, and then this value of sales is we're gonna actually put it at the far end. So sales for the year is this one, is 155,880, and what you do is you say opening stock, this is so January, okay, and has got the value of 19, then 400. Okay, so this one. And then what you do is you add the purchases. Okay, so you add the purchases. Add purchases. Now we don't know the value of the purchases, so just kind of put the question mark there. And then what you do is you're going to get a value. Okay, going to get a value, and since we don't know this, we're also going to have a question mark there. And then you're gonna actually say less closing stock. So this is the 1 December 2007. Okay. And for this one we have it's the 1st December 2007. So this is this value. Okay, so we don't actually need to subtract there, and then the value we're going to actually get is this minus this one is actually going to give us a question mark or so. And then from there now, this value of sales minus this value, we need to get what is called the gross profit. Okay, now this value of the question mark is called the cost of goods sold, or simply cost of sales. Okay, this value, and then what we get, this minus this, we have to get the gross profit, and this is going to give us, actually going to say gross profit or just the GP. Okay, Now, once we do this, then we are good to go. So make sure that you find the certain way of doing this work. So from there now, you can now simply say the sales, okay, the sales minus this one, sales minus minus cost of sales is equal to GP, which is the gross profit. Now we have to find the cost of sales. So we are going to actually isolate this one by taking it to the other side and bring this one there. So sales, this is minus the GP is equal to cost of sales. And we know that the sales is 155,880 minus the, when we go back to the question, is 20% above cost. So anything to do with the sales is sales margin. So this is going to give us 20% margin, okay, is equal to cost of sales. Okay, so now we have to punch in 20% of this one. Okay. Okay, so 20% of this one is just says 1,500 minus 31,176 is equal to cost of sales. Okay. So equals to the cost of sales. So this is the value that I'm going to put here, but this is for this one. Okay. And this is going to be 31. Okay, and then for the cost of sales, it's going to be minus now, subtract. Okay, so for the cost of sales is going to be, it's going to be 124,704. Okay. So now from there now we can go back to this missing components. Okay. So for the missing components, we are actually going to get this part, okay, and then equate to this one. Okay, so this minus this, we should be able to get this one. Okay, so I'm going to say that let's this be given x, okay, and this one y, just for the sake of mathematical understanding. So this is going to be y minus 26,660 is equal to 124,704. Okay, so this one is y is equal to 124,704 plus 26,616. Okay, so this is now y is equal to, okay, so it will give us 151,364. Okay, so therefore we have that missing component or value of y is a value of 151,360. Okay, So this is the figure that we are now going to put here. Okay, so this is going to have 151. Okay, and then the last thing to fix is this value 19400 plus x. You get this one. Okay, so simple arithmetic. So now simple arithmetic now. Okay, so we said you are going to get, okay, we're going to get x, this 19400 plus x, we get this one. Okay, so 19400 plus x equals to 151,364. And this one now we can find x by saying 151,364 minus 19400, and this will give us so this will give us 181,964. Okay, so therefore our x is 131,964. Okay, so just to fix this now, then we can now indicate here that 131,964. Okay, so then we have fixed this one. So this is how simple you can be able to find. So our missing values are this one, this one, this one, and this one. So probably this one will get maybe 6 marks, or even just 4 if they are following those. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching. Please like the video, subscribe for more information. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.